Now that the layout is complete in Corel, we have the outline of the saya and the actual layout that we want to engrave. So the outline of the saya, we don't want to engrave that. So you have to make sure that in your object manager that these things are not selected. Like here, this is what controls the outline of the saya. So if I click on that, it disappears. That's just the view, but this is the print icon to enable or disable printing. So right now that's disabled. If I click on that, it turns it back on. Click on it, it turns it off. So it's not going to, that layer won't print. So I can leave it in the view and it won't print. You'll see in a second. Now this other layer, this is the layer which the skulls are on, and if I turn that off, the view, and you can see that the printing is turned on. So then I go to print and make sure that the correct printer is selected, in this case the Epilog Zing, and we go to preferences, and I've already set the speed and the power, so I have the speed set to 70% and the power to 100%, and the image dithering is Floyd Steinberg, and it's a raster, set to raster, and the piece size is 24 inches by 12 inches, which is that's the size of the table. And I have down here, I have send to laser and send to manager. So send to manager is going to save it for later, so I can pull it up from the manager and just print it from there. And then my resolution is 500 dpi. That's about it for there. Say OK. You always print preview so you can see what it's going to look like. In this case, see here, the saya outline is gone, so it's just the skulls. You can see that they're positioned at the top there in the top left corner, and that's where my saya is positioned. And now you can close this window, and then you're ready to print. So you just hit OK. It's going to go here, and it's already loaded up, I think. So it shows a new job. Here we'll just do it again just to confirm that it did. So I'm going to go OK, and there you go. You'll see it loaded up. Okay? And then you're ready. Then you put the saya in the top corner like it was in the drawing, and here we hit focus to make the gantry slide out, and we can test to see that the height is correct. So the stick is just a little bit lower, which is good for engraving, than the height stick. This height stick is, simple solution but works well. Put the saya back up in the corner, and then we're going to hit the job to go back to the job, and then go to start it.